Scott here of Cruising Geek, and I cannot believe, but I have owned my 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4 for over a year. So that means it's time to take it for its first service. So let's head out on this wet Seattle day and take it to the service and see how it does. Let's go. Please. Whoa, please. So days like today are one of the main reasons why in this area I really like having all-wheel drive. Wow, this is wet. There it is, McLaren, Lamborghini, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce Open Road Northwest service. Yes, that's it. Alright, I'm back in here. So here we go, into the dealership, the service center. Upon entering the building, I was impressed at how nicely the space was laid out. There were tons of old Lamborghini memorabilia around on display, which I liked considering this dealership handles McLaren and Bentley as well. After handing the keys over to my service rep Chris, I went a block over to check out the actual dealership. The dealership has a lot of nice McLarens on display, in many different colors and models. I especially like this Lamborghini in the awesome gray color. The new exhaust on the Evo looks really cool. I'm impressed with the wide variety of cars that are here at the Bellevue dealership. It was a great experience walking around, but now it's time to get home and wait for my car to be finished. And here it is, my 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo, all cleaned up and ready for me to take home. I was especially pleased to hear Chris, my awesome service manager, tell me that this car was in really great shape. It was very clean, not just like the interior, but he said the engine was in great shape as well. It had been well maintained. That was super great for me to hear. I wanted to ask that explicitly, but he told me that before I even asked. With that, I am going to take this car home. Since it's getting dark and cold, I won't record the trip home, but I will give you an exiting turn on of the new engine serviced with the spark plugs. So let's hear that and then I'll get home. So now that I'm home, I've scanned in the service invoice for the service I had done on my Lamborghini. And I thought it'd be interesting to just go over what they did and a little bit of the cost for those interested in buying this type of car. So what they actually did was here, it's called Perform the 8th Annual Service. Not exactly sure what that means, but they listed everything that was included. You know, oil change was the big thing. And then, of course, the spark plugs was the other big thing they did. So this base service cost, this is mostly just like the labor, is already $2,827.50. That's USD. And then you can see, besides just the base service cost, these are all the parts that they needed. They put here. And the big expense here, of course, is the spark plugs. Because, you know, with a V10 engine, you got $46 a piece, and then you multiply that by 10, you're at a big number, you know, like 470 almost dollars. So that's pretty expensive. Then if we go on to page 2, just a few more fees, and then of course the taxes, which adds up a lot when it's expensive. And finally comes out with the grand total of $4,247.08. I hope this video helped to give prospective buyers a bit of insight into the service experience, including costs and the process of getting the car serviced. If you like seeing content with my Gallardo, make sure to like and subscribe to be notified. Thanks for watching. Godspeed.